to fight competition, to fight most of the time is spent on that. You don't have that type of thing. The disadvantage point of it is arising out of it a sense of complacency might have crept in, or whatever may be the reason, that this company has reacted so far only out of pull from the customer and not push from us. I think you should think about it, except in a very straight case. And that too, that push has come about in the last 2-3 years, thanks to the effort of JICA. And be careful. I think an organization with this type of an advantage, unless you aggressively push, and when you want to, at what stage you are able to push, have to develop that push, only when you are technologically strong, when you have got to develop your own product, when you have something to offer to the customer, instead of their coming and telling you that I have this product, will you please make it cost effectively. Instead of that, I want you to reach a situation where you are able to develop products, and that comes out of the centers like this, which are able to develop prototype and things like that. From this situation, I want you to develop yourself. And then, but second point that I wanted to tell you is that I want to be brief, so that already most of what others have said I don't want to be repeating. Manufacturing components and products as we do does give us a steady revenue. But more money is available only when we develop your system capability. There again, I think our advance in this area is rather slow. If there is something this center can do to develop total systems capability, I would advise you to do that. Without that type of a thing, your progress will be there, but will be very, very slow. That we in UCAL is committed to developing it in a technology-oriented center. I don't think any of you need have any doubt. I think both Jayakar and Rao has been talking to you for quite some time. I think all of you have been struggling to do. But my desire is that it be how fast it can be. How can you increase this effort? From our point of view, as Parameshwar said, that in the first opportunity to reconstitute the board, it's very significant that we brought in Professor Anand, who is the director of the IIT Madras, hoping that all of you will make use of the academic excellence of the IIT Madras and then take advantage of their knowledge. And Mr. Sumantran, who showed outstanding success in General Motors in USA, who relocated himself to India, developed the Tata Indica. The entire Tata Motors Indica development is attributed to him. And bulk of the work relating to nano, which is now a national thing, was developed by him. He is now in charge of the Advanced Engineering Center of Ashok Leyland. The fact that Sumantran and Anand has agreed to be on our board, that itself will give you an indication of what hopes they have in UCAL making it to be a strong engineering, development and auto component manufacturing center. I think we have to live up to their expectation. All these things are possible only when the people are properly trained, motivated and do their very best. Here again, drawing from my experience in all the organizations where I was associated in the past, we built the technological strength, but eventually it's the people who made it possible to make these organizations great. I think the future of the organization lies in your hands. You have the advantage of a good managed institution. You have an institution and a set of products on which there is not much of a competition in this country, and you have fairly an assured market. You have a board and a set of advisors and leaders who are appreciative of what you are doing. Essentially, I think it's in your hands to take advantage of this environment and then make sure that this organization is brought. And only when the organization succeeds, all of you can individually succeed. I have no doubt in my mind that the steps that all of you are taking will keep a very good set of motivated, trained cadre of executives and employees. I think in this context I compliment the management for having introduced the award system for meritorious children of our employees. And hopefully that when they come of age, they will choose UCAL as their career opportunity. And I am also happy that the long-awaited HR manual has also been completed by the HR department and is going to be released by us. But I suppose these and many things which they can do in order to improve the effectiveness of the people. Because I'm a great believer that it's only through people you can bring about the type of changes that we are expecting. And I do hope that all of you will take advantage of the opportunities that are available in this country and make a success of your life. Thank you once again, and I feel very happy that you got me here and I was able to convey the commitment of this organization to take UCAL Fuel to greater heights, and that we depend on all of you to help us in this cause. Thank you.